Hey y'all, it's your girl Tiana. I can only be me. Hey, 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 hey. I'm cooking some turkey necks, cornbread, rice, and cabbages. Okay, so I'm gonna make these turkey necks smothered in gravy. What I did was I put them in the pot. I'll clean them first. Then I put them over in my pot and I boiled them for about a good 10 minutes to get all the little nastiness off of them. You know what I'm saying? I cleaned them like that. Y'all know how I like to, do certain meats. I boil it first and I, to get the nastiness off of it. Okay, so that's what I did with these. So now that I done rinsed these off and everything, they baked down in my pot. Wash my pot out, everything. They back down in my pot. And so now we finna season them up. So I got a pack of Lipton onion soup mix. And I'm about to add that right on in here. One pack. Now I got my HEYY dust. You can go in with you some seasoned salt, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, and maybe a little salt, But this what I got. That right there. And I'm finna add my HEYY dust. HEYY dust is my all-purpose seasoning. If you would like any information on my HEYY dust, you can email me at tiana_seasonings@hotmail.com. Okay. Also, I have a seasoned fish fry cornmeal. I'm down to, I think, maybe one left by now. So if y'all would like to get your hands on the seasoned fish fry seasoning, seasoned fish fry cornmeal, then email me at tiana_seasonings seasonings@hotmail.com. So I got those two down in there now. You can I'm gonna cut up an onion and add it to it. If you got a bell pepper, you could do the same thing as well. But I don't have a bell pepper. So you're gonna take you 2 bay leaves and drop them down in there. This is 2 packs of turkey necks. And they not smoked, they fresh. So I'm gonna put this on here. And I'm just gonna let this here boil its life away. And I'll be back in a couple hours when this get tender. Alright, y'all, so I'm back. It's been 2 hours and 15 minutes that my turkey necks have been boiling. And they is to the point where they is tender, like really tender. And I know I told y'all I was going to cut an onion up in it at this point. But I changed my mind because I put that Lipton onion soup mix pack in there. So what I got is me some cornstarch. You can use flour if you want, but today I'm using cornstarch. And I'm just going to make me a little slurry with this right here. This cornstarch and water. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my slurry. And I'm going to pour it down in here. And that's going to help thicken up. I'm going to put some more in here. Yeah, let this little bit out there. And that right there going to help thicken up. Make a gravy on top of these turkey necks. Like that. So now if you want them, you can add you some more, some onions. And bell pepper. Or you can add you a whole trinity if you like. Onion, bell pepper, and celery on top of this here. And just let it thicken up and do this thing. I'll show y'all how tender it is. You see them? They're coming. Oh. The meat comes right off the bone. That's how tender it is. But I didn't want them to shred in my pot. I don't want them so tender where they tan up on me because I don't want to shred in my pot. I just want it tender enough that when we eat it, the meat just come right out the bone. So I'm going to let this cook for a little bit, probably about 20, 25 minutes, just thicken up a little bit. And then I'll be back. I got my yellow rice back there. My cabbages over there. My cornbread. Cornbread right there. My cabbages over there. My yellow rice right here. I just gotta fluff up my rice. Oh yes, y'all. This dinner for us. Alright, y'all. So the turkey necks is done. It done came up to a boil like I needed it to. And this is what we have. Just like that. That's what I wanted. Like, so as it cools, it's gonna thicken. And you'll have your nice little gravy on top of your turkey necks. Okay, so let me fix y'all plate to go, honey. I appreciate y'all being here and watching me. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Hope y'all learn how to make y'all some delicious fresh turkey necks, honey, for your family. Peace, love, and many, many blessings to each and every one of you guys. And until next time, y'all already know who this is. It's your girl, Tiana. I can only be me. I done put my stuff in bowls already, y'all, because, honey, I'm trying to get my kitchen cleaned up. And I'm through for today. But that's those there cabbages, yellow rice, and now some of these turkey necks. Right down on top. That rice. With some of that gravy. I need me a different spoon to add the gravy, child. Okay. Alright, y'all. I love y'all. Hope y'all try this recipe. Until next time, this your girl Tiana. Not gonna be me. Peace, love, and many blessings to you. And y'all have a good one.